Today we're talking about the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. This is $38 for the smaller one, which is the one that I have, and then it's $69 for the bigger size, which is 1 full ounce, and the smaller one is half an ounce. And the claims on this are a face oil rich in critical antioxidants omega-6 and 9 that moisturizes and nourishes, visibly balances while restoring a youthful looking glow. So basically, the main ingredient in this is marula oil. I've talked about this before. I will keep talking about it. I feel like this is the best thing you can do for your skin, other than I think sunscreen. But I put this on every other night because I wear retinol every other night. So I put this on every other night that I don't wear the retinol, and I just soak my face in it, as you saw, and just like give myself a nice like little massage and just let it like really drench my skin, and you will feel in the morning like your fine lines have been plumped up, like your skin is like moisturized. This is the skin secret. It is so good. It is so good for your skin. I have acne prone skin. It's got antimicrobial properties with the marula oil. So it like kills bacteria in your skin. I just can't say enough good things about this. If you're gonna do one thing for your skin, get this.